I don't know the measurement, so I'm gonna just do the measurement as I go along. First thing I'm gonna do, I grate some ginger in the water. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on the stove a little. So I have this piece of ginger, so I just grate it. Alright, so just grate that in the water. And this depends on how much ginger you like. If you like it gingery, you put a lot of ginger. If not, you just go in with like half of this. I like to taste the ginger, not too much, but I want to taste it. So I'm going to go in with half of the amount of this. Alright. Should go in with that. I'm going to spice up the water. Some would say season up the water. So I'm going to use about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I have some rose and almond. I'm going to use a little of that too. Alright. I have some vanilla extract. I'm going to use some almond extract. I'm going to use a little of that. So a little tip. Cinnamon leaf in mine. Optional. I'm going to tip a little salt in mine. Just a little tip. So I'm going with about 2 cups of sugar. I may have granulated sugar and regular sugar mix up. So 2 cups of sugar. So we have about 2 cups of sugar. And then I'm going to stir that in. Alright, so I'm going to make this boil for about 2 minutes. And then I'm going to add my peanut. So make this boil. For the water boil, I'm going to take out the cinnamon leaf. And then we're going to add the peanut. 1 cup of peanut. And remember, I say we are measure as we go. 2 cups. So we have 3 cups of peanut. So just stir that in. And we're going to cover that. Cover that and make the peanut them go and cook. When it go halfway down, then we're going to turn it down. But when we reach that process, I'll come back. We go check on it. Alright, so we're going to leave it uncover and make it go boil. Go down some more. So now turn on the stove. You take your time, do it thing, and you guys, you know, if you have patience when you order this, because it takes time and patience. So I make it slowly go down now. So these are on super low now, and we're gonna check, see where we are. Alright, so it won't dry down a little more. When you part it, it's not supposed to fill the gap this way. So it wouldn't set, it would have been runny. So just mix it on so it can't hurt. Knock them and give it a little more time. So I think it ready. So okay, so I have some wax paper set here, so we're gonna put them over upon it. Alright, so we are coat. I just coat the peanut them in the sugar before we lick it. Alright, so I think I'm gonna need my 2 hands for this, you know. Push it off, if you know what I mean. And we have to move fast too. Alright, so I drop one more and then I come off of the camera. I'm gonna pause it and then we come back. Okay, so this is what we have. So them almost dry already. Yeah, the sugar dry up on the spoon. Alright guys, so if I leave them for dry. So this is the next day, and these are the peanut cake. Just the day I try to lift them, so this is what they look like. So peanut cake. So yeah, so this is the finished product, our peanut cake. I haven't baked these in a long time, but we're gonna plate it up because you know we do it in presentation is key. So let's do this. All right, so I don't have no bag. I should have like bag for placing, you know. Well, I have bags, so I'm gonna take back that. I'm top back on just a banana bag. I have bags, so I'm gonna bag them up and I'm gonna give them away because it wouldn't right for me to eat so much sweet, right? Oh, this look. So I'll give you guys a close-up. So it's not too much sugar. It's just perfect. It's just perfect. Guys, thanks for watching. And I hope you tried this one.